Chief medical officers from hospitals across the Kansas City metro area are coming together to convey a unified message. We cannot stand to lose a sense of urgency when it comes to containing the spread of COVID-19. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar is live for us at KU Hospital. Leslie, you just listened to the hour-long discussion. Give us a wrap-up here of what that was all about.
Carolyn, as you said, it was basically a unified plea for everybody to keep taking mask wearing seriously and to take social distancing and hand washing even more serious. Right now, hospitals across the metro are not overwhelmed, but all of the chief medical officers fear that they could become that way heading into the fall. All of the heads of these hospitals spoke about how serious this virus is, how there are so many aspects of the long-term effects of it to the body that are still unknown. It is not comparable to the flu like so many people still believe. They all gave examples of how young, healthy people without pre-existing conditions have had serious and even fatal effects caused by this virus. But they said we should not have to re-shut anything down if everyone follows health guidelines. The perfect example of how those guidelines work is at the hospitals themselves. Any given area hospital may house 40 to 50 COVID patients at a time, yet inside the hospital there is little to no spread of the virus. No hospital has become a hotspot for infection.
Wear a mask, keep your distance, and wash your hands. These are very basic, simple ideas everyone knows, and they have stood the test of time with the respiratory infections. However, what's hard is being consistent and keeping it up for the long haul.
Now, there was also emphasis on how children older than 10 years old can spread the virus just as easily as any adult can, which is an obvious concern as many schools are already back to in-person or starting in-person learning soon. I'm going to look at all of the points made in that hour-long discussion and have much more on this discussion coming up in our evening newscast. For now, reporting live in Kansas City, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.
Yeah, interesting information for sure. Leslie, thank you for that update.